lot of people don't realize that you can actually edit images within WordPress. So today I'm going to give you a brief overview on how to do that. First, let's go into our media library by clicking on media. And then we're going to go to an existing image. Let's say we want to edit this sample image right here. I've got duplicate images here from an earlier post. I'm going to go ahead and click on this top one. And here you see not the full-size image, but you see the image here. You can see the actual dimensions right here, which are 960 by 400. And let's say that I decide I need to edit this image for some reason. Then I would click on the Edit Image button here. And now I've got a few different options on how to edit this image. I can crop the image. I can also choose to rotate the image one way. I can rotate it a different way. I can flip it vertically. I can flip it horizontally. I can also scale the image. So first let's look at scaling the image, as this is commonly needed. When you're uploading an image to a website, you do want to make sure that it's not too large so that it will slow down your page load time. So I typically recommend having images no larger than 960 in width. Sometimes there might be some extenuating circumstances, but in general I think that's a good idea. And so you can come here and hit scale image, and you can say, well, it's already 960. Let's say we want it smaller. Maybe we want it to be 400. Notice it's going to keep the aspect ratio, so it's 400, and then it automatically changed this to 167. And then I can click scale, and it will scale that image. I can also decide to crop the image. So let's say, for example, that I didn't want to scale the image. I just needed to crop it and kind of zoom in on a portion of it to make it smaller. The crop tool is already selected here, so I can just use my cursor and focus on the area that I want to crop there. And notice it gives me this selection and lets me know the size of my selection as well. So if I'm trying to resize the image to a particular size, I do have the ability to do that within this window. Once I'm done cropping and I've kind of positioned it the way that I want, then I click on the crop tool again, and I've now cropped the image and edited that image. Once I'm done making all of my changes to it, I typically want to go ahead and apply changes to all image sizes. You can kind of get a little fancy with this, but for this tutorial we're just going to apply it to all image sizes. And I'm going to go ahead and click Save. So the image is saved, and click on Update. Alright, now if we go back to our media library, you'll notice that now this image is focused in and different from this image. So we'll click back on it. So there's the new image, and then this is the original image that we were working with. So you can see the differences. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy more videos.